Dear 10thers, I think all of you are keeping well at home and you are doing your regular homework and assignments. Already we have finished phase 1 and phase 2, and in these two phases we have finished probability, trigonometrical identities and matrices. Now we are coming to phase 3. Here we will discuss on internal assessment. Internal assessment means here we will discuss on the projects which are prescribed by the council. If you go through your syllabus book, here you can see that our council has already prescribed 13 assignments. From these 13 assignments, any two you will choose. It is totally optional. Any two you may choose. From these 13, you will choose those two assignments and you will do it in practical file. How will you proceed? Regarding that, I will give you some guidelines. You will do all the project work in practical file and you will use black ink. To mark any headline, you will use glitter pen. But children, remember, you will avoid three colors: red, orange and green. Excluding these three colors, you may use any color. And what will be the order? First of all, we will give acknowledgement, second, index, and third, introduction. In that introduction part, you will make two paras. In these two paras, you will give the introductory part for the two projects. After that, you will come to project 1 and after that project 2. When you will finish project 1, there only you will give the conclusion for project 1. After finishing project 2, you will give the conclusion for the project 2. Now, this is the sequence. Now I am giving you some guidelines regarding some projects. Suppose you take planning a home budget. How to proceed? You will write what is budget, what is home budget in your family, total family members, how many earning members. In this way you will proceed. Remember children, here you have to take 3 consecutive months. 3 consecutive months you will take the total income and expenditure. If the person is salaried person, then income is fixed. But if the person is businessman, automatically month-wise that income will vary. So per month you will write income, then expenditure. In this expenditure part, you have to give some bills. For example, as you are paying your fees to school, you are paying electricity bill, you are paying bill for Indian gas, etc., medicine, etc. So you will include these bills, not all the bills, some of the bills you will include. So month-wise you are finding total expenditure, you know income, and if you subtract that expenditure from income, you will get total savings. In this way, we will calculate the savings for 3 months. Clear? Then we will calculate the average. So in this way, we can find out the total annual income, total annual expenditure as well as savings. What will be the conclusion in this case? Conclusion will be this one. After doing the project, you can assess that on which ground your expenditure is more, where you can make it shortcut, etc. Next, suppose you are doing the project on various types of bank accounts, rates of interest offered. How to proceed? In this case, you will choose any 3 banks. From these 3 banks, you will just take any 5 schemes which are common in all the 3 banks. From these 5 schemes, for example, suppose car loan, home loan, educational loan, locker facility. So in this way, you will take total 5 schemes. You have to find out, you have to calculate the data that what is the rate of interest from that account, from those particular schemes and from those particular banks. Then you have to compare that which bank is giving you the maximum facility. Not necessary that one bank will give you the maximum facility in all the 5 schemes. So comparatively you have to write. But remember, whatever data you will give, be ready when you will come for internal assessment, when we will come for Viva, we will ask from that practical file. So you will give that, and finally what will be the conclusion? That which bank is the best from these 3 banks. It may vary from person to person. Next we are coming to one more interesting topic. That one is, an eccentric artist says that the best paintings have the same area as their perimeter numerically. Means you have to find out a particular type of rectangle whose area is same as that of perimeter. Remember, I told numerically because their units differ. So here if you calculate, you will get one particular rectangle whose measurement, whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Then what's the area? Of course 18 centimeter square. And what is the perimeter? That is also 18 centimeter. So if we consider integral value, integer only, we will get 6 by 3. But excluding this one, if you go to another one, suppose I take one rectangle whose length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 2.5 centimeter. You calculate, here also we will get area is same as that of perimeter. Third example, what is that one? 18 centimeter by 2 whole 1 by 4 centimeter. If you take one rectangle, here also you will get that area is same as that of the perimeter. If you can find any other example, very good, you include that one also. So in this way you will continue your project. Last we are coming to that set square one. All of you know that in one geometry box there are 2 set squares. One is 60, 30, 90, other one is 45, 45, 90. So for this project we will take 60, 30, 90 set square. We will take the set square, we will put it on our practical page and we will draw the outline. Then we will remove the set square. And with the help of compass, we will draw perpendicular bisector of any 2 sides. Where they will intersect, we will mark that point. And taking that one as center, and from that point to any vertex, you measure the length and draw the circumcircle. Here, how can you proceed? In the introductory part, you can give the definition of circle, different type of triangles, angles, etc. And finally, we know that angle in semicircle is 90 degree. That idea is also needed. So in this way, you can finish your project. But remember, throughout the whole project, we will maintain only one color, that is black paint. So, children, you start your project work. Till then, goodbye.